Hey, what is going on YouTube? Mike here back with another video. So today we're taking a look at the Edifier ES60, which is one of the brand's newest speakers, and it is part of the ES lineup of Edifier speakers, along with a few more in the range. But today we're taking a look at the portable ES60 speaker, and I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and feature tour of this product. With that said, let's get started. So unboxing the Edifier ES60, you pretty much get a straightforward package here. You just get the speaker itself, a cable, as well as some paperwork including your instructions and your warranty. Now going over the design of the speaker, it is available in either black or white. Obviously we have the black version here, and as you can see it does have a texture which resembles leather, so I do like what Edifier has done with the speaker in terms of the overall design. And yeah, it does remind me a bit of the Edifier MP230, which we also covered here on the channel, although there are some differences in terms of the overall design. For one, the buttons on the ES60 are placed on top of the speaker, so you do have a button for the lighting setup, as well as your volume keys, your play and pause button, and of course the main power button. You also get an LED power indicator on top, alongside a microphone which the speaker uses for phone calls, and another additional LED indicator which flashes blue in Bluetooth mode, red when you're streaming via USB audio, and white when you're in Bluetooth stereo pairing mode. Now, one key feature of the ES60 is that it comes with a built-in ambient light system, which I think is a nice addition and does add a bit of a modern look to the otherwise retro styling of the ES60. The design is also dust-proof and waterproof, and while I wouldn't really recommend dunking this into a swimming pool, it should be safe from unwanted spills or maybe a bit of dampness, which is a pretty welcome addition overall. Now, Edifier says that the ES60 does have 360-degree audio with dual 0.75-inch silk dome tweeters with 34 watts of sound, and you do get 4 preset sound modes with the speaker, including one for music, gaming, watching movies, and even outdoor for situations where you might want to bring your speaker on a picnic or to the beach or something like that. And for connectivity, you are getting Bluetooth on this one, so it does come with multi-point connectivity, so you can connect to 2 devices simultaneously with the speaker, and you can even pair 2 ES60 speakers for a more immersive listening experience. You also get a USB Type-C port on here, which you can use for wired audio playback or for charging the battery on these speakers. Now, as for battery life, Edifier says that it can last for up to 9 hours on a single charge, but this will of course depend on your individual usage. But either way, 9 hours is pretty solid overall and should last for most listening sessions. In addition to this, it also supports SBC codecs for playback. You can also download the Edifier Connects app for your smartphone, which allows you to tweak the other settings on the ES60, such as the different sound effects, your playback controls, and even the ambient lighting setup on the speaker. And yeah, here's a quick sample from the speaker for you guys, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Now, as for its pricing, it does cost around $200, and it does compete with similarly priced devices from Ultimate Ears and Sony's ULT series as well. So yeah, that does it for this quick video. Let me know what you think about the Edifier ES60 in the comments below. Are you gonna check this one out, or are you planning on getting something else? Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.